Good morning, 10th class. Today we are going to read our next topic, Law of Independent Assortment from Mendel. This is Mendel's third law of genetics and inheritance. So, according to this law, Mendel published that in dihybrid cross, first offering shown dominant phenomena, but in second generation, both alleles are heredited separately and they don't affect on one another. This called independent assortment. So according to this law, in second generation of dihybrid cross, both alleles, one is dominant and recessive, each shown independently. So this law of genetics is called law of independent assortment. And this is checkerboard for this law is the first of all, on one side dominant and one side recessive, both alleles are dominant and both are recessive. So in gametoform they are separately 50-50%, and in first offspring from cross pollination is only dominant alleles are shown. In first offspring, only dominant alleles are shown from both characters. Capital Y and capital R is a yellow and a round character of seeds. This is a dominant character, and on the other side, for cross pollination, the small y and the small r is significance of green and wrinkled seeds. These are both are recessive characters. So in first offspring, only dominant characters are shown. This is yellow and round sheets, and in a mixed character is not a impure character. This is a mixed. So when we go for second generation throughout self pollination, there we can separate this with gametes like four form: capital R, capital Y, capital Y, small y, capital R, small y, and small r. And like this, you as equal as female gametes are same. So when we cross it, the phenotype of this process is 9:3:3:1. But this is an impure and mixed character statement. And when we studying about genotype of this process is maybe and is always be 1:2:4:2:1:2:1, because in this process all offsprings are like on this pure and impure character facilities. So when you saw deeply, these characters are very easy to understand for you, and this is the task for you You should have to do this process yourself and send me by your notebook. So, this is the third law of Mendel, the law of independent assortment. I have a hope that you can understand now and you can do this task from this law. Have a nice day. Thank you.